Hi, Safety Ray here, and welcome to this awkward disruption. Yeah, we're still in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, and now we're in the holidays. So, the smartest thing for you to do is to stay home. I understand how difficult it is to not see all of your relatives and your loved ones, but folks, this is a different world we're living in. So do yourself a favor and do us a favor and do the safe thing. And that's just stay home. Alter your plans. Make a plan for next year. I know that some of you are going to go out. As much as I can encourage you not to, I want you to take Mike Rupinski, who's the head of our COVID-19 task force, take his advice and understand how you can protect yourself by keeping yourself safe and keeping others safe. Have a great holiday season. Stay awkward, my friends.
Hi, I'm Mike Rupinski, leader of the Keeley Company's COVID-19 task force, and I'm here today to bring you an awkward disruption and talk about holiday safety during COVID-19. So I want you to think about three things as you approach the holidays. The first thing is all the things we've been talking about. Do the five, right? Wash your hands, sneeze and cough hygiene, social distancing, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and face, and stay home if you can. All those are really important during the holidays. But I want to challenge you also to think about your social bubble, those people that you spend time with, and the health considerations about being together with them. And then lastly, many of you will probably travel for the holidays, and there's some special precautions that you should take. So let's kind of hit those one at a time and talk through them. So I use the term social bubble. What is the social bubble? Your social bubble during the time of COVID-19 represents those people that you normally spend time with and you normally interact with. It most likely, for many of us, is the people that we live at home with. So spending time with those folks during the holidays and finding fun things to do is really perfectly acceptable. What you should be concerned about and what you should think about during the holiday season is those people who are outside your social bubble who are going to come in. And I think if you take the time to communicate with your family ahead of time and really understand who is concerned about what, it's going to make for a much better holiday season for everybody. And the other thing I'd like to talk about is travel during the holiday season. So a couple precautions that you need to think about. Number one, arm yourself with additional masks and hand sanitizer. You want to be prepared in case you drop something, lose something, that you always have some supplies with you. If you have to fly, flying is a safe thing to do, but remember, social distancing is important. Stay distant from other travelers. Wash your hands routinely, wear your mask all the time. And pay attention to the risks of people being around you. If you're traveling by car, think about those places that you're going to stop along the way. I would advise you to take food with you or to get food to go or take out. Don't spend time in restaurants. Wash your hands after you've been to a gas station. The last thing you need to think about for holiday travel is pay attention to any travel-related restrictions that the state you're traveling to or the state you're traveling from may have. You can generally find those online by Googling. There's some sites that'll tell you all the states, but I would say the best source of information is to go to the health department of the state you're traveling to and familiarize yourself with the requirements. There may be quarantining requirements upon arrival. So good things to know and good things to pay attention to during this busy holiday season. So friends, this holiday season is going to be different for a lot of us. Remember, we don't have a vaccine. We don't have any curative drugs yet. So we have to do those simple, basic precautionary measures to stay safe. And no matter whether you are going to be with your family at home, with family and friends, keep those gatherings small, or you're traveling, just remember, do the simple things. Wash your hands, wear a face cover, stay socially distant. Stay home if you can. Be safe, enjoy the holiday season, and we'll talk soon.